Alright, so things are moving right along. We got the AC set up. I seem to have lost this line or threw it away or something, so I had to buy a new one. So we got all that hooked up. We're pulling a vacuum on the AC. Getting that out of the way because we're on a time crunch here. We've got fenders have arrived. Like I said, the rockers we're working on. This one's all cut out, and then I'm ready to cut the new one and kind of fit it together like a puzzle piece. The satin black front bumpers are done, and the front grille looks really nice in black. The valance is still gray because that's plastic and it flexes quite a bit. Here's our rustish free fenders from California. Not perfect, but they're much better than what was on there. So as soon as I get the bumper brackets that I was waiting for, these things, they should be here today or tomorrow. Once that's done, then I can throw the bumper on and the grill. I have to resolder the horn connectors. But once that's done, all that can go on. And because the fenders actually go, I think you have to remove the fender bolts first before you take the bumper off, I think. Maybe I'm backwards. I'm not sure, I don't remember. But either way, moving right along. And hopefully, I got these this morning probably 3-4 hours ago. So I did this in a couple hours, and if I can get one on at least by the end of the day, that's pretty good progress. So that would tell me I can do the other side in about a day or two, get this thing to paint, and then still have roughly a week to coordinate shipping and finish up the rest of the interior, stick it all back together, and then yeah, we're done, ready to ship this thing out once it's finished. So that is the update for now.